What is it? Can you tell? Greetings and welcome to Smartwatch Ticks. We're a YouTube channel on the web at smartwatchticks.com. You are looking at the black box containing the AMAZFIT GTS. Oh, we've been waiting a long time for this one, and we have it in, but we have it in just barely in time for the holiday season. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you right now, right away, so you can know what you might be getting if you decide to pick this thing up. It comes in its traditional white AMAZFIT box, and there it is. It is available right now from GearBest. Check out the show notes for the best deal we've got going and a coupon discount. It's a 1.65-inch AMOLED display GPS smartwatch with 12 different sport modes. Really waterproof, 5 atmosphere. Here's the overall general specs for the thing. 348 by 442 screen resolution, little bit of memory in it to handle all this kind of stuff, and vibration alert, health tracker, heart rate monitor, 220 milliamp hour battery, gonna give you about 2 hours charging time and 14 days of standby use. Silicone silicone band. I'd love to have a silicone battery, actually. Aluminum alloy case and so forth. Let's get into it. I love it. The presentation is phenomenal, as usual. Move Beautifully is their logo, and there's the little tab, the pull here tab. When we do, it comes out of the box. Isn't that such a fun surprise? Can you imagine this on unwrapping of a present? Yeah. When you pull further, it actually opens up the box. Getting in here, you have a compartment with a manual. You have a charging thing, and you can see the watch is just kind of sitting in here, and it just floats right out of its little compartment. If you don't get stuck on the hook there. Okay, let's take a look. We're going to undo the strap. Nice silicone band, like they said, and tons and tons of holes, so it should fit just about any arm. It's a good size, but not too big of a screen. It's got simulated, of course, right here. We're going to take that off, show it to you on, wrapped around like this. On me, it comes in about middle of the bands, and I'm about middle size. So that's its overall look. Very thin. Heart rate diodes and everything right here. The charging apparatus for this one is inside this bag. Nicely, carefully put together. And it's a fancy proprietary dock arrangement. Here you go. 2 charging pins. Well, where you think they are? You're right. These are the diodes, or the sensors for the heart rate, and those are the charging pins. So you're going to need to, play with the magnetic field. Hover, hover, hover. Turn it the correct way. Drop it on, and it's going to lock in. Will it go wrong? Well, not really, but it can get cattywampus. You like that word? Or is it kittywampus? Depends on if it's a cat or a... Anyway, it'll hold on if you get it just right. Nice and secure. We are going to turn this on and show you what it can do in another video. This is just a quick unboxing because it's holiday season, and we're going to do a full review when we actually charge it up and check it out. If you want to pick it up right now, though, because there's not much time left, you could get it from GearBest. Again, check the show notes for the buying deal going on, and we'll see you again soon with a much longer review of this wonderful AMAZFIT GTS.